Hello, my dear students, I am going to start the rest part of relation and function as representation of relation. Subscribe my video and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new video. So let us start. Representation of a relation. Representation of relation. It is represented a relation may be represented by first roster method, second one set builder form, and third one an arrow diagram. Set representation of relation. A relation may be represented by roster method, set builder form, and an arrow diagram. This is represented by three ways, that is roster form, roster method, set builder form, and an arrow diagram. First, roster method. Roster method. How to represent a roster method? In this form, a relation is represented by the set of all ordered pair which belong to the given relation, which belong to the given representation. That is roster method. In this form, a relation is represented by the set of all order pair which belong to the given relation. Example, as example you can see, let A be the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the set of A, and set B is equal to, suppose set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. At last, this whole the 20 number of elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, that is 20. And let R be a relation has as its square from A to B. Then relation R can be represented as 1, 1, 2 to 4, because square of 2 is equal to 4, 1 square is equal to 1. Now you can take 3, the square of 3 is 9, and 4, square of 4 is 16. Then this relation is R equal to 1, 1, 2, 4, 3 9 and 6 4 16. This is the method of roster method. By roster method you can give example as list form or tabular form or roster method. Now second one, set builder form. How to represent set builder form? Builder form. Set builder form. How to represent set builder form? In this form, the relation is represented. Relation is represented as order pair xy such that x belong to A and y belong to B. This is the order pair element xy, x belong to A and y belong to B. This blank is to be replaced by the rule or method which associate that is any of the rule or method by this order pair written is said to be set builder form associated with x y. By example, you can see here, let A is equal to 1 3 4 5 7. This is the set of A is equal to 1 3 4 5 7, and set of B is equal to, suppose B is a set, that is 2 4 6 8, and R is a relation from A to B, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then R in the set builder form, R in the builder form can be represented as R in the builder form can be written as you can see, that is relation R is equal to x y. We will be write the order pair x y, x belong to A and y belong to B, where this means x is 1 less than y, because this is the system. In this system you can see 1 in B 2, 1 is less than 2, 1 is less than 2 by 1, 3 is less than 4 by 1, 5 is less than 6 by 1, 7 is also less than 8 by 1. So you can represent this way, that is set builder form. Now third is by arrow method, arrow diagram or method. How you can represent a relation by diagram method? In this form, the relation is represented by drawing arrow from first components to the second components of all order pair which belong to the given relation, which belong to a given relation. Now, in this form, the relation is represented by drawing arrow from first components to the second component of all order pair which belong to a given relation. Now, suppose let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. This is the set of A, and B is equal to, suppose B is the set of 2, 3, 5, and R be the relation, R be the relation. This means a system that is greater than, the system is greater than. What is the ruling of this? Greater than. From set A to B. Then R is a relation that is from A to B, 3 to less than 3 less than 2 by 1, 5 2. This is 5 is less than 2 by 3. 5 3, also 5 is less than more than 3, also 5 is more than 2 by 3, also 3 is more than 2 by 1 by 2. Now 5 is more than 4 by 1. So this can be represented as a diagrammatic method. This is the set A and this is the set B. All of element of set A, 1, 2, 3 and 5. These are element of A, and element of B, 2, 3, 5. What is the relation of 3 to 2? That is 3 is related to 2 because order pair 3 in 3 relate to 2. 5 is also related to 2 this way, and 5 is also related to 3, and 5 is also related to the element of, suppose this is the 4, element of 4. Okay, now we will come to next topic next day as a function. Now we will start the next day function. Okay, thank you.